Here we have the Electrolux washing machine. To operate with it, make sure the wall switch is on. You can then open the door, load the clothes inside, and close the door. You should then load the pre-washing detergent here, normal detergent here, and here softener. Close the drawer and then turn it on by rotating this knob. You can then choose one of the programs by rotating it. You can check the time here, and you can select the temperature and spin by pressing these buttons here. Once you're done, press the play or pause button. To turn it off, put the knob in the initial position.